911, what's the location of your emergency?
Hey, you guys better send somebody quick, man. There's a dude walking up the hill on Othello between Rainier. He walking up Othello up Rainier from Rainier, and he got a gun. He got a gun in his hand, and he just pointed at everybody that drive by.
Move. Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop it! Drop the Hey! Behind you!
Where's it? No, side of the street. He's gonna be on his back.
Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!